This video will go over announcements, how you can create them, and what they are. So announcements are a method of communicating with your students that sends out a message in Canvas to them. If they enable it, it can also send them an email, but it also accumulates all announcements that you have sent out in one section of a course called announcements. So they are a great way of communicating with your students, giving them reminders about upcoming projects or any information like that. So for example, in this particular course, we have one announcement. You can see that under announcements section of the course, we have a listing of all the announcements. We have one announcement here that we can click and see right here so that students can actually see all current and past announcements in one location, as well as receive messages for these announcements. So how can we create an announcement? We can go into a course and go on the left-hand side to the announcement section. And if we've not created announcements before, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to tell us no announcements. And then on the right-hand side, we click plus announcement button. And we then are prompted to enter a title and, of course, the bulk of the message. And then we have a couple of options. So, for example, we can send out a welcome to English 101, for example, and we can write in a message. So we can write in any information, we can provide them links, embed images. All of that is available to us, just like a regular Canvas page, for example. So once we've written the bulk of our message right here, we have a few options over here. One of the key options is we can delay the posting and tell it when exactly to post. So we can post at a future date. We can, of course, allow the students to comment. If we want to engage with them, we can select allow users to comment. And then we can also allow them to like it. So they can, like it and show that they've read it or seen it by liking it. So those are some of the key options. The one caveat with announcements is that unless you delay the posting, it is important that you create these after the course is published, as messaging regarding anything in the course will not go out to students while a course is unpublished. This means any messages about you changing a page, changing an assignment, posting an announcement, posting a new page, or creating a new assignment, anything like that will not go out to the students as long as the course is not published. As soon as you publish the course, messages go out from the course itself. Announcements, any information about new content such as assignments or new pages created in the course will go out to the students as soon as it's published. So again, with announcements, it is important to remember to either delay the posting to after you plan on publishing the course, or only create the announcements once the course is published. So we're not going to delay this time, but once we've filled out all the information and we've chosen the options that we would like, we can click Save on the bottom right corner, and now it will send out announcements. Just like yourself, there are notification options, which mean that the students can also receive emails, but of course they can turn that off. So do keep that in mind about announcements, but they will show up in Canvas for them, so they can see them right there. So that is how you can communicate with your students using announcements which go out to all the students in your course as long as the course is published at the time when the announcement is being sent out. And again, I created this, and you can see that it's in the announcement sections, and every single announcement will be in here so students can see past announcements as well to reference if they need to in one central location.